You can make extra cash on top of your regular job by engaging in a side hustle. Additionally, you will be able to invest and save far more money as a result than would have been achievable with simply a regular 9-to-5 job. It can be difficult to choose the income streams that are best for you though. There are just too many choices available. That is why in this video we will help you out by sharing the top 13 side hustles you can start at any age. And it would be amazing if you subscribed and hit the notification bell if you learned something helpful from this video. Besides, it's free and you can unsubscribe at any moment. But otherwise, you'll always be the first to know about new money-making tips as we share them. It's a win-win. So how about we get going? Therefore, let's begin with level 1, which is between the ages of 13 and 16. At this age, your desired hustle goal is anywhere between $50 and $150 per month. Of course, this is merely an ideal goal for you to pursue. Service-based business. Start in a service-based business. There are pressure washers currently available from Home Depot for about $149, and you could use them to clean driveways for other people. Only 3 services are necessary for a jet washer to pay for itself if you charge $50 each drive. Everything else is a profit from then on out. Selling candy. A kid in the UK did this, earning almost $50,000 annually across several different schools before being ordered by the school to stop. Money may be made anywhere there is a demand. Candy is constantly in demand at school. You might need to confirm that this is permitted at your school. Simply put, you could sell this from your bag. Get your friends to sell it for you and you can pay them a commission rate, such as 25 cents for each candy bar they sell. It's remarkable how much and how early on doing this can teach you about business and entrepreneurship. It teaches you how to run a business and manage employees. Be a sports referee. Starting a side business while in school only has one drawback. You can only earn money during the weekdays. So being a sports referee can be a fantastic way to earn extra cash on the weekends. Being compensated to maintain your fitness makes this a terrific side business. Being forced to make judgments quickly and getting to know plenty of interesting people helps you stay psychologically strong as well. Starting at the age of 14, you may expect to earn about $16 every game, which is not bad at all. Now, if you are between the ages of 16 and 18, you are in level 2. For people of this age, a side business should bring in between $250 and $400 every month. Become a tutor. Starting a business as a tutor, where you may make $20 per hour, is among the simplest things you can do. However, you don't have to limit yourself to teaching academic subjects if you didn't perform well in school, and don't believe that you have many career opportunities. Finding that skill and offering to teach it to someone else is the key to most people having a skill that others are interested in learning. The income potential of any tutoring side business is always constrained by the number of clients you can attract. Most of them are simply interested in an hour of your time. Therefore, it's a good idea to come up with yet another approach to offer your clients something of value. Sell an extra service. A win-win situation for your clients is what it's all about. Selling your school notes or charging to join an online community where members can ask you questions at any time would both be wise options. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is the next side hustle, and it's perfect for anyone who enjoys using computers and the internet. Dropshipping is the practice of advertising another person's product, directing customers to an online store, and having the manufacturer send the item right to the customer. Amazingly, you can use the product without ever touching it directly. Dropshipping is probably not going to make you rich like the online experts who are marketing courses are going to claim. The industry is really tough. The income is relatively modest. Additionally, it is a poor long-term business strategy. While it could take some time to turn a profit, the abilities you are learning along the way will be much more valuable to you in the long run. In fact, they will be more valuable to you than the money you will presumably earn. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a very similar side business if dropshipping isn't for you, but you still want to explore digital marketing. Due to the intense competition, you will be motivated to improve your marketing and video making abilities. To get started, all you need is a phone, a reliable internet connection, and some editing know-how. We're halfway through this video, but before we continue, perhaps you can comment below which among these side hustles we've tackled so far interests you the most. Or if you know any other ways you want to share with us, it would be much appreciated. Done? How about we get going? Level 3 would be next. It ranges in age from 18 to 29. For this age group, the monthly side hustle goals range from $800 to $1,200 and concentrate on maximizing the use of the abilities you already possess. Many individuals refer to this as working in your genius. It will therefore be crucial to work as efficiently as possible over the next 10 years. And since you are now 18 years old, you can start saving that extra cash rather than wasting it. The idea here is to consider how much you might step up the skill you've been developing over the past few years and charge more. If you used to dropship, you might be able to advance to selling your own products, or managing social media marketing campaigns for other companies. Advising other companies about their social media marketing might earn you a lot of money. Simply by hiring you, they will get a financial advantage as opposed to suffering a loss. You can set greater pricing since, in essence, you cover your wages. Offering to work for them for free for a few weeks is an excellent strategy to get your initial clients. Freelancing. The best part about this is that you can complete it all in your free time while relaxing in your house. You may advance and work as a graphic designer, photographer, or videographer if you had a YouTube channel when you were younger. By improving your skills, you can start bringing in a lovely little extra income. And we could all use a little extra money, right? House hacking. Saving money for a down payment on a duplex home and obtaining a mortgage would be a terrific way to leverage this additional income to start another side business. When you're in your 20s, it's one of the quickest ways to raise your net worth. Duplexes have two distinct living spaces, and the concept is that you can live on one side of the house while renting out the other. As a result, the other individual covers a sizable portion of your mortgage payments for you. In other words, once the mortgage is paid off, you can wind up with an absolutely free residence. Also included in the package is a free place to stay, and you can invest the entire amount of money you would have spent on rent. The fourth and final level is therefore for players 30 and up. Your goal is to improve your side jobs so that you can increase your passive income so that you may invest more money in another potential opportunity. Time should now be something you value more than money, and you want more of it to spend with your family. At this point, your goal for a side hustle monthly income should be between $1,500 and $3,000. Rental property. This remains one of the main sources of income today. You can rise to the challenge and then use your free time to have it repaired, even if it may initially demand a lot of labor. Although you can employ a professional to complete this task, doing it yourself would potentially be more profitable when you're just getting started. After that, your property may well be rented out in a matter of weeks. Coaching. You would have acquired a great deal of knowledge by the time you were 30 plus. As a result, you may utilize this to coach in areas where you have a lot of expertise. There is a market for coaching everything you can think of, from business to fitness. This could be anything. The secret is to conduct this one-to-the-many activity online as opposed to one-on-one, because you can assist more people and avoid selling your time. You may achieve this by creating a digital product or a YouTube channel that offers free services to people. When you reach this level, after advancing through all of these levels, you'll have amassed a vast array of skills, numerous rental properties, digital products, and a sizable investment portfolio. You'll also have passed the breaking point where your side hustles are now outpacing your day job in terms of income. This means that instead of the other way around, your money is working for you. Thank you for your time. I'm hoping these tips come in handy. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload new videos like this one. We'll see you next time!